Hello Hatters and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's not the best weather, but who cares? Lockdown's over, it's all back to normal. We're buying Funko Pops, we're buying clothes, we're going to the pub, we're doing everything that we used to do. Well, sort of, anyway. So, today we are going back to one of my other favourite things to review. As you all guys know, I don't just review Funko Pops. My last previous videos were mystery boxes, Transformer crossovers of the DeLorean and the Ghostbuster. But before that, I used to do other stuff that involved doors and 5-stars. And we all know that if I get a door and a 5-star, it gets unboxed because that's just how it is. You know, it's awesome. I get to unbox 5-star, and this is no different today because for the first time in my entire run, I actually have a 5-star to review, and it is none other than an Aladdin one. Yes, it is Jafar or Jafar. No, Jafar. He didn't fart. It's Jafar. This is awesome. As you can see, I do thoroughly love these things. These are cool as hell. There are 4 of these to collect on the back. You've got Aladdin. You've got the most beautiful princess of all Disney. You've got Princess Jasmine. You've got the genie himself, who's played by Robin Williams. And you've got Jafar, which is the man you have right now. So every 5-star comes with accessories. Yeah, so basically we're going to open this up. Oh yes, I said open this up. If you're new to the channel, you realise that I'm an inbox collector, but when it comes to like say 5-stars and doors, I open them. Why? Because they're not going to last in value. So, yeah. So this comes with 2 things. I have got my phone ready to go tell you the name of what else is in here as well. So this comes with Mr. Jafar, a logo, what his name is. So that's really cool, and it also comes with a stick. Now in the Disney film, the stick would always do some trickery which involved like making someone believe in whatever Jafar would say. So you'd have this against this, and he'd press the button and it'd make you go dizzy, and Jafar would tell him to do something and you do it. So yes, Jafar wanted to marry Jasmine, but as we all know, that never happened. You know, Aladdin came along, the tramp off the street, the guy who, even though he had nothing, always gave to somebody else. So this is pretty cool. I'm hoping that this is going to be able to do their move things like the others, like some sort of move. But we'll see. Because this one's a bit difficult to open. I don't want to damage too much. There we go. There's my trusty knife to use so we can get this out. So Jafar was a bit of a greedy man who wanted power. Not that he didn't have enough power as it is, you know, his little stick and all that. It was awesome. He could do whatever he wanted with his stick. He just holds it in his hands like so. Like that. There we go, guys. There we go. So all my previous videos, these 5 stars have been horror and Game of Thrones. This is a Disney one, completely different. Comes to the parrot as well, pretty cool little parrot. One other thing that all the 5 stars come with, and this is sometimes happens with Funko, is they don't just put it in a box and go bang, there we go. They put a background in the back in it as well. So here we have the background, and it is the car, it's the palace of Aladdin. So that is pretty cool, like that. And then my phone's gone a bit higher, so we have to best bear what I've got here now. So yep, there we go. I do love these 5 stars because they are a Funko product. They are marked Funko. Funko do a lot of cool stuff, and these 5 stars are cool because they sort of move. Now, someone might say they're a toy. I don't believe they're a toy. His body moves, and his arms move, which is really cool. So that's really cool. I think this is pretty epic little thing. He's got his foot there, doesn't really do anything, but apart from this, looks really cool. So so that's really cool to have this. I've got this from Newsstand Comics because as you know, I go help out at Newsstand Comics. I do my bit here and there if I can, and basically I got told, is there anything you want? It showed me this list, and I was like, well, can I get that? And can I get that, please? And being a cool guy that James is, he ordered them in for me. With other stuff that I had put by out there as well. I spend in the morning of just filming stuff that I can just use. So it doesn't matter if this falls out, it's not a big issue because, you know, it's just one of those things which are cool as hell. But then I just put it back in the box, as so, when it goes in the box. So, there we go, like that. His stick's fell out, but he looks pretty cool. Maybe I might have to look into getting the genie. Imagining if you get Jasmine, you're gonna get the tiger. As Aladdin, you'll probably get the lamp, or you get the lamp with the genie and the carpet and the monkey with Aladdin. So who knows what we'd get. So please guys, comment down below, tell me what you think. So yeah, so if you did like this video, please give me the thumbs up. I do like seeing those thumbs up. It means I'm doing something positive and good. If you haven't and you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube or my Instagram, you can. I'll put a big logo right there. Just click on it. YouTube easy. Just grab that kind of video when it's finished. Press subscribe. Don't think there's anything else really, guys. I try not to take up much of your time. I guess all there is left to say is you have a fantastic day, and remember, we all collect you.